Namaste Vidya, Sada Kusho Vidya. Myself, Dr. Balraj Singh, Department of Dravagum, Faculty of Ayurveda, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur, Rajasthan. Today we discuss about Nereum indicum or Karveet. Botanical name Nereum indicum and family is Apocynaceae. Full footage full chart mentions Nereum indicum in Tiktiskand and Pustagram Mahashaya. And Shushut mentions Lakshadigan and Silovechanadigan. In the name Kaner and Priya synonyms and spinning Karvir, a highly potent drug and poisonous. Karvir, a highly potent drug and poisonous. Sweet Pushp white flower variety. Sweet Pushp white flower variety. Shatkumbh, having many flowers, so it is called Shatkumbh. Ashwamarak, a toxic plant used as Gravisha, Gravisha and Rakpush red flower variety, Chandar a potent drug, Lagud used as a weapon or toxin, Abj beech bruk the seed resemble that of Kamla or lotus seeds, Shat Praseh the plant with lanceolate leaves, Ashwamohak Karnveer Pratihas the plant has toxic effect, so it is called Ashwamohak Karnveer and Pratihas. Main features: a plant with lanceolate leaves. There are two varieties of the plant depending on the color of flower, white and red. It is highly potent drug with toxic effect. Ved varieties. According to Dhanvantri Nightu, there are four varieties according to color of the flower: Swet, Rakt and Peet and Krishna. According to Bhav Prakash Nigan, two varieties, sweet and rug. According to modern view, there are seen practically there are three varieties: white flowered, red flowered, and yellow flowered. White and red flowered Nerium indicum, yellow flowered Thevetia nerifolia. Habitat Uzbekistan, Himalayan from Nepal westward to the Kashmir up to 6,500 feet and also all over India. It is extensively cultivated throughout the greater parts of India. Habit Swaroop, a large glabrous evergreen shrub with milky juice. Lives in three short-leaf stalks, coriaceous 4 to 6 inches long, linear lanceolate, acuminate, tapering into the short petiole, dark green and shining above. Midrib stout, nerves numerous, spreading horizontally, flowers red, rose colored or white, fragrant, lobes rounded, filaments, hairy appendages of anthers twice as long as the cells. Follicles 6 to 9 inches long, ridged at the length, separating seeds about half inch long, tipped with a coma of light brown hairs. The cattle does not breathe because it is very bitter in taste. Flowers are used to worship Lord Shiva and other gods. The roots used as abrofiscent. उपयुक्त अंग पाठ used मूल मूलत्वक and पत्र. Properties: रस कटु तिक्त and कषाय, वीर्य उष्ण, गुण तीक्ष्ण लघु and रुक्ष, विपाक is कटु, दोष कांता कफ पित्त शामक and pharmacological actions रोगात्मक कर्मता व्रण रोपण नेत्र रोग हर ज्वर हर शोथग्न हृदय कुष्ठग्न कडुग्न and दीपन Armic प्रयोग therapeutic uses the mole is smaller dose acts on hृदय it is said to stimulate the action of digitalis it is a poison to all the animals mole acts as mutral it is useful in jalodhar associated with hriday rog in sarpdansh the root bark is given with causing woman and also gretchen the mole twig and patra is used in all skin diseases externally the twat is boiled in tail and this oil applied externally. In Vran, Ash, Hust, etc., the mool is made into a paste with gomutra and applied on the affected part. In Netra Coke, the swaras of tender leaves is dropped in the eye. Matra dose Multak churn 30 to 125 milligrams. Aushadhiyo formulations Karviradya tel and Kashishadya tel. Chemical constituents: cardiac glycosides, oil and rin, neridon, neridorin, pseudopurin, and nerintine. Substitute and adulterations. Whole root of Nerium indicum as well as the Navedia peruviana of the same family is the usual material available in the trade. The root bark, where availability is mostly adulterated or even substituted with the bark obtained from stem branches. These are hard, carved, or channeled pieces with a 3 to 4 centimeter thick and have a rough gray or ash-colored outer surface having longitudinal and transverse fissure. अहितकर प्रभाव toxic symptoms on excessive dose it causes अस्वाद, नाड़ी दौर्बल्य, हृदयावरोध and सांसावरोध. चिकित्सा treatment stomach wash is given and घृत administered internally. भाव प्रकाश निघंटु से करवीर श्वेत पुष्प है शत कुंभो अश्वमार्क है द्वितीयो रक्त पुष्प चंडातो लघुड़स तथा करवीर द्वयम तिक्तम कषायम कटुकश्च तथा व्रण लाघवकृत नेत्र को कुष्ठवर्णापहं वीर्योष्णं कृमिकण्डुग्नं भक्षितं विश्वस्मतं. This is all about Karvi. Now we discuss about Arkdwan. In the same name of Arkdwan, Ark and Alark is taken. Calotropis procera having pink or purplish flower is taken as Ark. Calotropis gigantica having white flowers is taken as Alark. The large plant is bigger than arc plant but both have almost same properties and action. Commonly arc is taken for medicinal purpose. The Ayurvedic Pharmacopy of India, Volume 1st, Government of India, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Department of Indian System of Medicine and Homeopathy, New Delhi, 1989 has identified Calotropis procera as arc. Botanical name Calotropis procera, family name Asclepidaceae, Kul Ark Kul. Charak mentions Ark in Bedni Mahakashaya, Vamnopag Mahakashaya, and Swedopag Mahakashaya. Shushruत mentions अधोभाग and Arkadi. हिंदी नेम आग या मदार अपन कहते हैं इसको. अर्क मीन्स like sun, it is तीक्ष्ण and उष्ण in its property, so it is called arc. Raktark, the red flowered arc, Arknam, all the synonyms of sun. Arc-Pand, the leaves are hot and irritate in property. Vikiran, the seeds with coma, which is scattered. Rakt Pushpa, the flowers have the color of rising sun, so it is called Rakt Pushpa. Asport, the fruits are uh, descent, so it is called Asport. Sheer Parni, the leaves having exudations, so it is called Sheer Parni. Rupika, bring brings back the normal complexion and a well-known plant. Harjugn, the efficacious drug for the remedy of itching and skin diseases. Sheer conduct, the stem exudates latex. Tool fal, the seeds are attached to the silky white coma. Pratapah, it is having Ushnavirya and irritant property. Shuk phala, the fruits are parrot-like. Sadapush, the flowers will be there all around the year. Ganarupa, the plant is of gregarious nature. Mandara, that which like a tree and white in color. Main feature, a gregarious plant with profuse latex. The flowers are reddish violet, found all the year. The seeds are attached to the silky white coma. It is an efficacious drug for itching and other skin diseases. Main varieties, Acharya Charak has mentioned only one plant as Ark. Acharya Shushrup has mentioned two varieties as Ark and Alar. In Dhanvantari Nigantu, two varieties are mentioned, Ark and Rajark. Bhavprakash Nigantu mentioned two varieties as Shuklark and Rastark. Shuklark has identified Scleropropis gigantica, which is having the white flowers, whereas Raktas has been identified as Scleropropis procera, which is having pink or purplish in flower. Habit, Uzbekistan habitat distributed in the hot and drier part of India. Habit Swarup, a large shrub 6 to 8 inches high, bark ash colored, wrinkled, young part and under surface of the leaves covered with a pressed white flocomose tomentum, leaves sessile, thick, glance coarse, green, 4 to inches long, elliptic or ovate, oblong, acuate and shortly acuminate, with a narrow podded or often amplicol base, flowers 1 inches diameter, arranged in umbellate, cymes, scanted buds, hemispherical, corolla pink with purple spots, lobes 3 to 8 inches long, erect, corona lobes 1 by 4 inches long, glabrous, equaling or exceeding the staminal column, straight or nearly or so on the back above the arcuate upcurved spur. The apex bifid with without auricles, follicles 3 to 4 inches long, recurved, turgid, smooth seeded, 1 by 4 inches long broadly, ovate, flat, minute tomentose with a silky white coma. So उपयुक्त अंग part use मूल पर पुष्प and पत्र. Description of the part: मूल rough, fissured, longitudinally, corky and soft, externally yellowish grey, while internally white, central core cream colored. Bark easily separated from xylem. Odor characteristics: taste bitter and acrid. Patra subsessile 6 to 15 centimeter by 4.5 to 8 centimeter. Broadly ovate, oblong, elliptic or ovate, arcuate, pubescent when young and glabrous on both sides on maturity. संग्रह काल मूल त्वक collected in ग्रीष्म ऋतु. तमर गुण properties of अर्क रस कटु तिक्त वीर्य उष्ण गुण लघु तीक्ष्ण विपाक is कटु दोष कर्मता कफ वात शामक रोगग्न कर्मता pharmacological actions सर वातग्न पुष्टग्न कंडुग्न विषग्न व्रणरोपण प्लेहग्न गुल्मग्न अक्षोभ्न उद्वेष्टनहर, उदर रोगग्न, कृमिघ्न, दीपन, पाचन, स्वेदजनन, पित्त, स्रावक, कफग्न, वामक, हृदय उत्तेजक, रक्त शोधक, बल्य and रसायन. These are the pharmacological actions. So, Amikyog therapeutic uses in Shlipat it is given with Ras Karpur or Ras Sindur. Srotanjan at the same is made into a paste with kanji and applied externally. In Gandmala it is given internally. In all type of chronic disease it is ground with water and applied. In all type of cough vikar the root powder is given in doses 2 to 4 grams. It causes vomiting and expels the kapha. It is useful in pratishay and Gachot, Swans, Nalika Shod, Tamak Swans, etc. In Tamak Swans, a pan is prepared with yav, leaf buds of ark with honey and given. In Jain Amvat, Arkadi Churan is given with shunti. It is also relieves sandhi shul. The latex or dugd is a drastic purgative and has a similar property of the mool of ark. The dugd is useful in yakrat and pliha pradeep. It is also useful in shandishod, vikar. In amvat, it is given with haridra. The pushp is having deepan, pachan, kapagna, and Udvestan Nivarak action. The patra has got Vran action. In Jean Vran, the churan is dusted on the wound. The patra is warmed with arand tail and applied on the swelling. In Arshas, the mool churan is used for fumigation. Matra dose Muldok churn 1 to 3 gram, Pushp 125 to 400 milligram, and for Vaman 2 to 10 grams, Patra churan 252 milligram to 1 gram and Dugd 250 to 500 milligrams. औषधि योग formulations अर्क लवण, अर्क तैल, अर्क अर्क Arkeshwar and Mahavishwar Tel, Dhanvantar Grad, etc. Chemical constituents glycoside, calotropin, gigentiol, isogigentiol. अहितकर प्रभाव toxic symptoms irritates the stomach and causes vomiting. चिकित्सा treatment शील and घृत should be given. भाव प्रकाश निघंटु स्वेद श्वेत अर्को गुण रूपे श्यात मंदारो वसुको अपि च श्वेत पुष्प है सदा पुष्प है च अलर्क है प्रताप से रक्तो अपरो अर्क नामा शार्द अर्क पर्णो विकीर्ण है रक्त पुष्प है शुक्ल कुलय तथा आस्फोट प्रकीर्तित है अर्क द्वयम सरम वात पुष्ट कंडो विश्वनान निहंति प्लीह बुलमाश श्लेष्मो उदर शक्रक्रमीन. That's all about Arc. And for today we discuss two plants, Karvir and Arc. Both are important. You should learn about Arc and Karvir. Its name, botanical name, family name, classical categorization, habitat, and properties, pharmacology reactions, matra, doses, formulations, all out. Today's session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope all you are satisfied with these sessions. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. Thank you.